Today we're going to talk about the distributive property. And the distributive property tells us that we are going to, it gives us a way to distribute in a value into parentheses to where it gives us an equivalent value or equivalent expression without parentheses. Like for example, my order of operations would say I need to add 2x plus 3 first. Well, I can't do that because this has an x and this doesn't. So what we can do to simplify this and have an equivalent expression would be to distribute in this 5. Okay? So what we do is we take 5 times 2x. So I've got 5 times 2x plus, and then I've got 5 times 3. Well, I can simplify that more because I can take 5 times 2 to get 10x, and I can take 5 times 3 to get 15. So when I distribute, I end up with 10x plus 15. Okay? So I have 5 groups of those basically. So 10x plus 15. So here's another one. This one has a fraction. But again, we can distribute that in. I can take 1/2 times 6x minus, because there's a subtraction sign in between, 1/2 times 10. Sorry, I almost gave it away there. That's a 10. Well, half of 6x, we can figure out what half of 6 is. That's going to be 3x minus, and half of 10, which is going to be 5. So this becomes 3x minus 5. So another one, this one has a negative sign. Well, that's okay. We're just going to use our rules for multiplying negatives. And so negative 3 times 2x, so I'm taking negative 3 times 2x plus, and I've got negative 3 times 8. So I can simplify that. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x plus negative 3 times 8 would be negative 24. Now, we could leave it this way, but the best way to write plus negative 24 would just be to change it back to negative 6x minus 24. This is not wrong, but this is a better way of writing it. Okay? I think I have one more here. Oh, sometimes we have to distribute in a variable. Well, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take x times 4x. Well, that looks really strange. Minus, and then I've got 6 times x. Well, remember, we always put the number first. So really, I could put this afterwards and have 4xx minus 6x. Well, 4xx, we don't write 4xx. We have to think about our exponents. So I have x times x, that's the same thing as x squared. So here I have 4x squared minus 6x. So that's what happens when we distribute in an x. I hope that helps. That's all for now.